I'll guide you through the 3 definitive methods to add music to your WhatsApp status, giving you perfect quality. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Let's start with the official WhatsApp music feature. Go to the Updates tab. Tap the camera icon to select your photo or video. Tap the music note icon at the top to open WhatsApp's licensed music browser. Search or scroll through popular, mood, or genre to find your desired song and tap to open it. Tap the music sticker at the top and use the progress bar at the bottom to select your music snippet and set the exact 15-second part you want to play. You can also customize and change its display style here. Then tap Done. Finish by tapping Send to share your musical update. Now let's see how to use any song. Open your music app like Spotify or Apple Music and start playing your song. Go to the Updates tab and tap the camera icon. Begin recording a new video while the music plays loudly. Preview the clip before sending to ensure the music volume is adequate. Finally, let's explore the Pro Editor approach. Open your video editing app like CapCut or InShot and start a new project. Import your photo or video and set the 9:16 aspect ratio. Go to the audio section and import the song from your local files. Trim the song and apply fade effects. Export the final clip in high quality to your gallery. Finally, upload the saved video to your WhatsApp status. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more WhatsApp video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.